Staking Polkadot on Trust Wallet involves transferring your DOT to Trust Wallet and then delegating it to a validator. Here's how to do it. Install Trust Wallet. Download and install Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Add Polkadot to Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet, tap on the Manage button at the top right corner, search for Polkadot and enable it. Transfer DOT to Trust Wallet. If you have DOT in another wallet or exchange, transfer it to your Trust Wallet by copying your Trust Wallet DOT address and sending your DOT tokens to this address. Access the staking interface. Once your DOT tokens are in Trust Wallet, tap on Polkadot in your wallet to open its details page. Initiate staking. Tap the More button, then select Stake. This will open the staking interface where you can choose the amount of DOT you wish to stake. Choose a validator. Trust Wallet will present a list of validators. Select a validator based on their reputation, uptime, and commission rate. Ensure the validator is trustworthy and has a good performance record. Stake your DOT. Enter the amount of DOT you wish to stake, review the details, and confirm the transaction. Approve the transaction to complete the staking process. Monitor your staking. You can monitor your staking status and rewards through the Trust Wallet interface. Rewards are usually distributed periodically based on the performance of the validator you selected.